We have a basic geometry video again. Parallel lines are cut by a transversal, and we form 8 angles. One angle is given to be 30 degrees, that's angle 1, and we're asked to find the remaining 7. So you can pause the video and attempt to solve this problem. Pretty straightforward. Let's just line L1. Let's just line L2. And we're given that L1 is parallel to L2. And the fact that they're parallel is going to lead to certain angles being equal. And we'll go through that as we solve the problem here. So angle 1 is given to be 30 degrees. This is a straight angle here if I look at L1. And then this angle over here formed by angle 1 and angle 2. Those are two supplementary angles. Just from basic geometry, those have to add up to 180. So if this is 30 degrees, this one over here going this angle, or angle 2, has to be 150. And again, there are ways you can look at this. We can look at this and say, okay, angle 1 and angle 3 are also supplementary. So that's 150. Angle 3 is 150. Or I can look at angle 2 and angle 3 and say, okay, those are vertical angles. So they have to be equal. So either way, this is 150 degrees. And again, I can look at angle 1 and angle 4 and look at those. Those are vertical angles. So 1 and 4 have to be the same. That's 30 degrees. Now angle 3 and angle 5 are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Those are supplementary. So this is 150 and this has to be 30. And for angle 6, again, same thing. I can say 30 and 6 have to be supplementary. Or I can say that angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles on the opposite side of the transversal. Those have to be equal, so this has to be 150. And then I can look at this again and say, well, angle 6 and 8, those have to be supplementary. Because this would be a straight angle here if I go this way. So this has to be 30 degrees here. Angle 8 then is 30 degrees. Or I could have said angle 5 and 8 are vertical angles, so they have to be equal. So that's 30 and 30. 30 degrees, 30 degrees. And then here again I could say angle 6 and 7 have to be vertical angles. So that's going to be, they have to be equal. That's 150. Or I could say again angle 5 and 7 have to be supplementary. Either way, that's going to be 150. And again, I can also look at the same side of the transversal here. I could say 6 and 2 are corresponding angles on the same side there. They have to be equal. Or I can say angle 8 and 4 are corresponding angles on the same side of the transversal. They have to be equal. In the same way on the other side of the transversal, angle 7 and 3 are corresponding angles. They have to be equal. Angle 5 and 1 have to be equal because they're corresponding angles. Okay, different ways we can do it. But either way, angle 1 is 30 degrees. Angle 2, 150. Angle 3, 150. Angle 4, 30 degrees. Angle 5, 30 degrees. Angle 6, 150 degrees. Angle 7, 150. Angle 8, 30 degrees. Various ways, but that's basic geometry, getting the angles involved in when you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.